pinaka-affordable na single attached sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. No spot down payment for as low as 13,000 monthly. Ito na nga ang pinaka-affordable na single attached sa Dasmariñas, Cavite at presyong townhouse lang. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Very accessible to Manila at few minutes drive nga lang ito sa SM Dasma at Robinson Palapala. Approximately 30 minutes drive lang ito going to Tagaytay. Napakaganda nga ng location ito dahil malapit tayo sa schools, worship area, markets, malls, hospitals at marami pang iba. Meron itong minimum lot size na 58 square meters kaya naman may provision ka for one carport at meron pa tayong extra lot dito sa side at sa service area na pwede mong gamitin for future home expansion. Ang floor area nito ay 44.5 square meters kaya naman may spacious tayo na living at dining area with complete fixtures na rin ang ating toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Basic finish turnover ito guys. Ang maganda dito ay mako-customize natin ang color ng paint, design ng tiles, at sukat ng room. May malawak rin ito na sliding window para makapasok ang natural light at for proper ventilation. Provision ito for 2 bedrooms at kapag nakapag-expand ka pa dito sa side, pwede mo itong gawin up to 4 bedroom. At may mataas din tayong ceiling, kaya naman kung interested ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!